Here we go again. Gonna head up to a lake up the top of the mountains. Straight in front of us, you can see all those hills called Lake Tinaroo. Just gonna go up, have a one night camp up there, kick back and relax, and make another video for you. Sit back, enjoy. Let's go. Okay, here we are up on the Atherton Tablelands. It's a bit cooler up here, nearly 10 degrees cooler than Cairns. Probably up around about 600 metres above sea level. And the rainforest looks a bit cooler as well. So we're going to head out to a campground out here. There's quite a few campgrounds around Lake Tinaroo, 4 national park campgrounds. But there's one called School Point. So we'll head out to the School Point camp. Tent up and relax. Hopefully there's a few trees there and I can get my hammock out. I quite enjoy kicking back and that, especially when the temperature's just nice like it is, I think. I reckon it'll be quite fresh tomorrow morning though, probably be close to single digits. We'll see how we go. Now there is a bit of a pine plantation out here, so quite often you'll see logging trucks coming down the track here. So we just need to be a bit wary of them. They're kind of this single lane for vehicles, I guess. There's not a lot of overtaking passing spots on this road. But hey, look guys, if you're enjoying the music going along with this video, check out Soundstripe. If you're a bit of a YouTuber or you want some music to make your own, whatever you want to do with it, check out the link down the bottom, Soundstripe. There's a discount code there and you'll get 10% off, or 20% off, I can't remember what it is, might be 10% off. And I get a tiny little kickback, it helps go towards my coffee and petrol to get away with. Oh, well, let's keep listening to lovely music and riding along. There we go, this is us, number 11. You know what I reckon? I reckon we'll just bring the bike down here. Oh look, I should have brought some firewood. Alright, back up the track, grab the red scooter, we'll come down and set up our camp. There we go, we've already got a friend, a bush chook over there. These Moto saddlebags have been bloody fantastic. I said it about 100 times before, but I'm going to keep saying it because they are pretty nutsy. Where are we going to put this tent? I've also got a ground sheet this time. I don't normally put a ground sheet in my tent, but I thought I'd bring one this time. The old tent's getting a bit old, worn out. Bit like its owner. There we go. I reckon right about here looks like a good place to put my tent. I might see if I can just make sure there's no big rocks in the way or big sticks. That looks pretty good. Righto. One footprint for my old tent. I wrapped my straps there. It's holding on my table and my chair. I'll set them up. I first got this, I thought, holy moly, what a bloody mess. It's actually quite easy to set up, look. It kind of all just falls together by itself. Good little table, this one. Mountain Designs. I don't know if this is a tip for anyone or not, but I bought a couple of these little lunch boxes, only like $4 each, $5 each, and they're insulated, so you can put cold stuff in there. I don't put anything cold, but I just jam them full of food, and you know, unless I'm going hiking or somewhere, then I'll buy the lightweight freeze-dried stuff. But on the bike, yeah, I just buy, you know, little packets of butter chicken with capsicum, you know, and a few curries, a couple of packets of soup, instant oats, usually some noodles, and I don't know if you get these anywhere else in the world, you probably can, but just those bags of cooked rice, and they're just easy to heat up. Don't show them in the pot, sort of mix it all together, and there's a nice hot meal to eat. And a bit of milk in there for coffee and whatnot, and that kind of all just jams in there just nicely to a degree. And then these two sit quite well side by side. They usually sit like this, and they sit perfectly right in the bottom of the Moto saddlebags. So these have been great. And the other one, which is this one. No, that's the one we just had open. Should have bought two different colour ones, shouldn't I have? This one is, I'm going mad here. I know why I'm confused, because somebody didn't have room in the other one, so I threw a bag of curry on this one. But that normally fits in there as well. So the other one here, same thing, knives and forks, coffee, always important, gas, and the Jetboil Minimo, more coffee, some cleaning cloths. That's about it.
So that just holds all the cooking gear. Other one holds all the food, and that's it. It's just those two little packs, those two little cooler bags, and I've got food and all the kitchen gears in there. So that's just nice and simple. It's easy to sort of work out. You know where it is. It's all in one spot. Get 2 bags out. Everything's there. No need to go hunting around for anything. Oh well. It's 2:30. I haven't had lunch yet. Bit of a coffee. Cheers, campers. Let's sit back, talk to my little friend, the bush chook. There he is. Perfect. Half past 5 in the afternoon, but beautiful looking sunset. Have a look at this behind us out over the lake. Cracker spot, I tell you.
Oh, good morning. Fresh, cold. I've got the billy going. Coffee times, first thing in the morning. It's bloody freezing. But it was a bit of a wild night. Not from the neighbours, more the wildlife. There's a nocturnal party going on here last night. Let's turn this off. There was a nocturnal party going on here last night. I think there were possums either fighting or making love behind my tent. Not sure what they were doing. They were just going to town. There was things climbing over everything. Bloody kangaroos or wallabies thumping past my tent. Yeah, a bit of a noisy, rowdy night. But oh well. Wakey. Coffee and Yeah, that's it. Breakfast, coffee and breakfast.
Righto, there we go, we're all packed up. Ready to rock and roll. We're going to get out of here.
I'm in no rush. I'm actually quite enjoying just rolling down the hill here. So I thought I'd let him get past. I was in a hurry, I would have left earlier. The smoke around on the coast, but still the same, beautiful day. Temperature's just spot on, 25 degrees Celsius. It's beautiful coming down the Gillies Range on a motorbike. You just sort of just lay around in all these corners at a leisurely pace. No stress. No hanging on to the corners, looking for extra grip. Just rolling, coasting along.